instant execution button. Okay, and I click on this, I get the opportunity to buy instantly or to sell instantly. All you need to do from here is select your contract size. Once you select the contract size you want, then you can either click a buy or a sell. So let me just illustrate. So if I want to sell, I click on sell. You see that instantly we have the sell order that is right here. So if I want this very buy and sell buttons to disappear, I'll just click on that same place again. It has disappeared. If I click on the trade, I will have the option to set my stop loss and my take profit. So if I click on stop loss, I can move my stop loss to the point that I want to. If I click on take profit, then I can bring my take profit maybe to this point. For instance, click at this arrow and modify. Right now we now have a stop loss and a take profit on this very trade. All right, so that is what you can do from this very trade button. The GBP USD is the currency pair that we have right here. So if I want the chart of other currency pairs, I will select the arrow by the side here. So with this arrow by the side of the currency pair, I can select chart of other currency pairs. Okay, so let's say I want the chart of gold. You see the chart of gold has appeared. Okay,